Mā te whanaungatanga, ka angi tū. Relationships creating success. At Downer, this underpins everything we do. We are living in an ever-changing environment that requires us to develop innovative solutions for our communities. We are listening, we are discussing, and we are adapting. There are changes ahead in the water industry, and we are collaborating closely with our stakeholders to bring Te Mana o Te Wai to life. We want to build a better Aotearoa for generations to come. Whakamaua kia tīna, tīna, hui e, tai ki e.
I'm Greg Steele. I'm the Bay of Plenty Water Contract Manager, managing the new contract with Tauranga City Council and the Western Bay Three Waters Maintenance. Well, we've been really lucky to have a strong relationship with Tauranga City Council. We've had the contract for 8 years, and through that relationship we've re-won the contract for another 10 years. The new contract includes Western Bay District Council, and Downer has a strong relationship with Western Bay. We do their parks maintenance, we do the roading maintenance, and now we're doing the Three Waters infrastructure maintenance with them as well.
The reason we did this collaboration, it was all about bringing together our people and knowledge and experience, and also sharing overheads and resources to come up with better solutions.
Over the years, we've developed quite a relationship with the Downer business, not just with individuals. And so for us, we had a high level of trust going into the RFP process. But throughout that process, Downer really proved themselves as being top quality contractor and what we think was sort of best in the market.
So we're going to service the larger region with our workers going from home to the work site. So we work where we live, and it's locals servicing locals.
One of the big outcomes that we really wanted was workforce capability.
We've got a recruitment model that really supports the community through our Water Ready programs and the training that we can provide.
So I became an apprentice at Downer Water because I was interested in how water works. Just being involved in something that's essential in society. At the end of the day, you feel like a hero too, you know, to all the clients and stuff. They're always appreciative.
Water is important because it is our most valuable resource, and we're facing big challenges with climate change and huge population growth, and so we need to really protect it and manage it effectively.
Water's important to me because there's an end-to-end cycle, and I want my kids to be able to play on the beach.
When we're dealing with our community, it's about making every drop count, ensuring we treat it as a precious resource because it's not infinite.